Ano naman po ang kailangan pong ibigay naman na kapalit nitong si Ginoong Hernandez po, given that he is already under the WPP, Alcantara, given that he is already under the WPP and also the other state witnesses po?
Opo. So you're correct po to say, no, ma'am, na bilang state witness, meron siya mga commitments, mga terms and obligations, not obligation, mga terms and conditions under the Memorandum of Agreement that they executed with the WPP. And these obligations, these commitments rather, differ per memorandum. At kumbaga, yung mga commitments po ni Mr. Henry Alcantara, magkaiba po sa mga naging commitments ng mga other state witnesses.
Opo, hindi pare-pareho.
San Santos, hindi po pare-pareho yan. As to what these commitments are, is confidential po, no? That's under the memorandum. But of course, we could say definitely that I think paramount of these commitments is the fact that they will tell all. Diba? Lahat po ng kaalaman nila, ilalabas nila para masuri po na maayos ng mga miyembro ng WPP kung saan po pwedeng magamit itong mga to sa mga proyektong sangkot sa flood control anomalies. So, it's really the materiality of their statements we're looking into. Kaya po so, hindi lang po yan sa tell-all, unang-una. At yung pag-tell-all po nila, dapat material. May laman. Hindi po yung basta lang may masasabi sila.